Come, 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 you can come. You can see. It's a huge. It cannot hear our voice. It can just see us. It's a black snake. It's not poisonous. It's not venomous.
Oh yeah. He's pretty.
Wow, it's very large. First when I saw it, I was very scared.
I'm surprised you saw it.
I'd like to catch it, but I'm really afraid of that.
Oh, God.
No need to stress it.
Yeah. I'm going to school up some Surabaya. I think today I'm quite lucky.
Oh, now what'd you find?
It's a huge black snake.
Oh, huh?
Yes, I know it's not poisonous, yeah?
Oh, no, yeah.
I'd like to catch
Black
it.
rat snake.
What?
Black rat snake.
Yeah. And
They do bite.
it can bite. It can make hurt.
Yeah.
I wanted to catch it, but...
No, I think should enjoy a photo.
Oh, look at what he's doing. It's going into the hole. It needs some food or needs some place to be quiet.
I don't know. Maybe a little bit of both.
It's not too shy. I touch it under the tail. How do you think about his size?
It's a big one.
Yeah,
Can
about
you see the
1 and 10.
Can you see the tail?
Yeah.
The end? Is it pointed or rounded?
Pointed. Very pointed.
Because you can tell the sex from.
Pointed is a male.
I don't remember.
Okay.
But if it's round, it's one, and if it's very pointed, it's the other. So you'll have to look it up which it is. But I think that's pretty consistent. Black snake, very pretty one. Boy, that made my day. Look at that guy. That's a big one, or
That's a
gal.
big one. It's
Can't
too
remember
large.
If the tail means it's a male or female. It's a constrictor, though.
What?
It's a constrictor.
Yeah.
It squeezes the air out of its prey.
Ah. Huh. Yeah, because it's not poisonous.
Right, right.
It has a little bit whitish color onto the breast, and it make me a memory like our European grass snake, but it's not. Oh, I want to touch it.
Oh, you can touch it here on there.
I touch it already, but I want to catch it on my hand, but it's a wild animal, you know? You can make hard.
Sometimes they're okay if you can lift all of the body at once. It's when you only get a piece that they get a little
Angry, yeah?
angry. But sometimes if you can get all of the body,
Yeah, I guess what you
hard.
mean, but so it's hard, yeah. I need more skills for that. Hey, are you coming to me? What is something is interesting? He's
not as thick as it could be. It seems thin. Maybe it's hungry.
yeah, I'm too big male for him. It cannot.
No. It's not the racer. We have a similar species called the black racer. But it's a black rat snake because of the belly pattern, I'm pretty sure.
Okay, this is a black rattlesnake. Here in this region we have just rattlesnake.
Like rat?
Yeah, like, I mean, poisonous. Yes, venomous snake is just one species here, or more.
We have one called the copperhead, but it's uncommon. Oh, wait, black racer snakes. Now gloss its duller cousin, the black rat. Well, I'd say that's a dull one.
These little white patches next to the stomach in the middle.
Yeah, that's a good indication of black rat snake, that bit of white on them.
Yeah, it's
Again, we
okay.
have one called the black racer. These are dry.
Yeah?
And they're afraid, they will shake their tail against the leaves.
Oh yeah,
to
a
try
rattlesnake.
to make, right, to make you believe that it's a rattlesnake.
That's the cool.
Man, that's a really pretty specimen. I hope I got a half decent picture. Oh,
Radio now?
Yeah,
No.
I would.
I feel bad. I've like already like talked to him.
He was on the
Already?
yeah.
thing. I was like, wait, that's a weird stick. I don't know, I just woke up.
Okay.
You just woke up? Okay, sounds good.